Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to sell branded digital gift cards in your Shopify store. We'll jump right into it. And this is all about how to do it the right way when it comes to using branded gift cards in your store. And successful stores, they leverage gift cards as a great revenue generator. They make a lot of money selling gift cards, and it's great because you get the cash up front. It's great for cash flow. It's great for branding because it's also typically used for gifts and things like that, where you're going to get new customers and new exposure. So a lot of different reasons why you want to use gift cards. And branded gift cards, they create more gifting opportunities for buyers, right? Branded to your logo or your favorite products or, your niche or a holiday or an event, right? All these different opportunities for people to, again, buy gift cards, give you money, and expose you to new customers. A lot of great benefits. And a popular strategy is to use the Loopz Gift Card App on Shopify to offer both physical and digital branded gift cards for all occasions. I'm going to show you over the shoulder. You see the link directly below this video. And if you want to implement gift cards in your Shopify store, you might run into some pain points. There's really no built-in way to do what I'm going to show you on Shopify. You need to use the Loopz app, and the app must be super easy to use and require no prior technological skill. Well, you'll just be able to follow along step by step with what I do. You see, it's super, super easy to set up. Literally just takes a couple minutes. And most importantly, the app must fully integrate with Shopify and automatically send the gift card to the purchaser or to the recipient automatically on purchase. And again, I'm going to be showing you the Loopz app. You see the link directly below this video. Highly recommended. This is by far the best way to do these digital and physical branded gift cards. We're going to go over the shoulder. In fact, I'll bring over right now the Shopify page over here. You see a perfect 5 out of 5-star review on Loopz gift cards. The number one way to sell these digital branded gift cards. You could offer store credit. You could sync gift cards to other stores. You could sync to Clover and Square, to Shopify point of sale if you're using that. Really fully inclusive here. And I'm going to show you over the shoulder how you're going to be able to customize and sell these cool digital gift cards. You see this one example branded to a specific coffee house brand, and you see you'll be able to give that gift card experience, that branded gift card experience, where people will be able to customize their gift card. You could have multiple card designs. They could buy cards. They could schedule cards to be delivered, let's say on, a birthday or an anniversary or Christmas or whatever. You could even add incentives to encourage shoppers to buy higher value cards. Maybe you say something like, buy a $100 gift card, you get a $10 bonus, right? Or buy a $200 gift card, get a $75 bonus. You could set that all up inside of the app. Really easy to set up, really easy to manage, and doesn't require any technological skill. I'm going to show you exactly how easy this is. You see there's the email delivery and the gift card page where they could look at their balance and all that stuff. So really, really cool. You could even save these gift cards to your Apple or Google Wallet. So all you need to do is press the install button. We're going to go ahead and go over the shoulder. Make sure you press install over here so you can follow along in your store and get this app inside. Pricing starts at $10 a month. There's also a free trial available as soon as you install it. So again, link directly below this video. Highly recommended. Let's go over the shoulder now, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works. Once you install the app, you'll be brought onto the onboarding steps here, where you're going to go ahead and create your gift card program. Step number 1, it's going to automatically pull your store name. You could change it if you want. In terms of changing the program name, I'll just change it to this. Now we're going to upload our logo. Of course, we're going to go ahead and use our store logo here. So I'll take that, bring in my logo, and we'll upload this logo to be used here with Loopz. See, it's going to add right in there. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and set our region and currency. We're in US, we're going to set US dollars. Of course, you could change this based on your own store's need. Talking about balance limits, what's going to be the max gift card that they can buy? $500 here is default. You could change it to $1,000 or $2,000. If you have higher ticket items, higher priced items, you might have a higher maximum balance, and no minimum top up. They could add or top up with any minimum. You could set it to something like 5 if you want them to have a minimum top up number. Coming over here, now we can create a card design. And this is really cool because we're going to all literally do it all inside this app. Click create card design. And the idea here is that we want to have reasons or excuses, for lack of a better word, for people to buy their gifts for some occasion with you, right? And of course, a gift card is a gift card, but presentation is what matters here, especially if you're a gift giver. Do you want to give a generic gift card, or do you want to give a birthday specific gift card when it's someone's birthday? Do you want to give a generic gift card, or do you want to give a congrats gift card? Right? Or, graduation gift card, or a thank you card, or, something like Valentine's Day or birthday or Christmas, right? Or holidays, Father's Day, right? Mother's Day. You see all these built-in things here, right? These aren't just designs. These are reasons to get your customers to buy gift cards. You can do business ones as well, like maybe they're just giving, kind of thank you cards or bonus cards or whatever. You can even upload your own design, create custom designs. So you see all these kind of cool designs here. You can do different seasonal-like designs, right? If you have specific niches, you can even do things like animals. Right, but I think one to always put in, especially with this cat, because I love this one so much, putting in birthday one. So we'll select this design. Okay. Over here, we're going to have our information over here. This is kind of our necessary requirements for having it. We can edit things or add a third line over here. We now come over here. We could set up different options. For example, any amount. Maybe someone wants to give a $13 gift card, sure. Maybe someone wants to give a $28 gift card, sure. Or we could have fixed amounts like, $25, $50, $100, etc. So I like doing any amount over here. And we'll create the design. We'll continue over here, a little bit of a review. Right, here's our program name and the logo that we're going to use, our currency and country, our balance limits, our top-up limits, and we'll click Create Program. Of course, we'll be able to have multiple cards over here and create different, like I said, reasons, right? Birthday, Christmas, holidays, winter, spring, summer, thank you, etc. Love, right? All those different ones, you'll be able to have all these different types of gift cards, right, under gift card designs. But we have our dashboard over here. Once we've created our program, we'll start to see information load in here, like gift cards, right? The total amount of outstanding gift cards in the program. Liability is basically how much is the outstanding gift card value? What's the average top-up? What's the average charge? What's the percentage of redemption? Right? How many people are actually using the gift card? See all your credited volume over here and credit transactions. Basically, the bottom line is you see all the stats, the important stats that have to do with your gift card program right inside here. Individual gift cards you'll find over here as well once people start purchasing them, and you'll be able to see all the transactions on here as well. Talking about card design, again, we can go through new card design and literally just do the exact same thing. You could even do a custom one and upload your own design. It tells you exactly what size it is. They say use Canva or Photoshop, something like that. So we can come over here and I'll do, let me come over here and do Mother's Day card, okay? And you can put in our information over there and create the card. Okay, all that great stuff. We have our checkout page, another customization, but really it works as is. Why? Because we've uploaded our logo and the rest is pretty much dynamic, right? What are they going to see here? Well, depending on what card options you give them, they'll see multiple options. Right, they see preloaded amounts over here that they can put in, and then of course scheduling as well. So it's automatically grabbing my color scheme as well with that blue button, so it looks really good. Don't need to change anything there. Obviously it has my logo. Also looks really, really good on mobile, right? And this is so important because we have the stats. About 80 to 85% of our traffic is mobile. Now I'm going to show you the gift card product section. This is really going to control the look and feel of how people view the product, the gift card, on the site. Right, here's an example of it live on my site. See the different options over here, the title, the description, all that is controlled right inside over here. We have our title over here. We have our image or variant image-based setup over here. We have multiple cards. We have the ability to add different gift card amounts. We have auto-fulfilling, turning that on. We have add by gift card button to out-of-stock products. This is really cool right here, this setup. We're going to keep it on, of course. When this is enabled, basically if you have a product that's out of stock, there's going to be a buy a gift card button instead. And this is really cool. You'll be able to customize this buy a gift card button over here in the button designer. You can do everything from adding margin, padding, increasing the size, of course, changing the text. But this is a really cool feature. Let's say you have a product that's out of stock. Instead of losing out on that sale, you can get people to buy a gift card and be able to basically capture that revenue. They can go and get the product when it's back in stock. So really, really cool over there. We have our button designer over here. Custom links is really cool as well. Let's say you have different types of promotions for your cards. Let's say this example, a Mother's Day card. Well, you can come over here and you see over here, this is just our default. We can now come over and select this box, for example, to have this one be the kind of default option that is available here on this link. So you could do a Mother's Day promotion, right? We wouldn't want to have a birthday one for our Mother's Day promotion, or let's say we have lots of other card designs. Let's say we have things for the holidays, right? We can go ahead and check off multiple ones and then create links maybe on email marketing, social media, even anywhere on our site, on our product pages, our paid ads, right? Where we could have specific kind of collections here or groupings of card designs that are available. So really, really powerful, especially this kind of goes back into the idea of giving people more reason to buy our gift cards. You got some advanced theme integration over here as well. You could add some CSS and JavaScript if you're a developer. Come over here, click View Product in Store. This is going to allow you to view everything right inside your store. See, very, very easy. Our Send as a Gift button as well, allowing us to capture the gifting audience. Really, really powerful here, all controlled in the gift card products section. So really cool. You could also deal with the email notifications that get sent to the issued email and to the order confirmation. You could change all this. Of course, this is going to be sent to the customer, so they'll be able to actually access that. And you have all the ability to change all of these. You just press Edit Email, and you'll have the ability to customize everything in here. You also have analytics and more specific reports here that you can pull. So very, very cool. Got integrations, of course, with Shopify, which we've installed the app. You see some of the other ones as well, like Square and WooCommerce. You can get to your settings at all times. There's even API keys if you want to get really advanced if you're a developer. But basically all you need to do is what I showed you. You set up your gift card program, you start creating these different gift card designs, and then you have all these different reasons for people to purchase your gift card for any occasion. And that's what's so powerful about Loopz. So that was the Loopz Gift Card App. Very powerful, but also very easy to use. You saw everything kind of just over the shoulder. So now it's time to take action. Go ahead and press the install button. Again, you see the link directly below this video. Get the Loopz Gift Cards app in your store. Start selling these gift cards. Capture the new revenue generation and get exposed to new customers with these branded digital gift cards. Really cool. Highly recommended. I hope this helps you make some money, and I'll talk to you real soon.